Imagine building a passive content empire that generates massive revenue with minimal effort. That's exactly what happened in a bold 7-day experiment using OpenClaw and 7 powerful AI tools from an affiliate stack. OpenClaw, your open-source AI agent orchestrator that connects models to apps and automates tasks locally, took center stage to create a fully hands-off content machine. This setup cranked out trending posts on Medium, LinkedIn, and Reddit, embedding affiliate links seamlessly for huge earnings potential. Day 1. Trend Discovery Magic. OpenClaw teamed up with Browse AI, a no-code web scraper that points and clicks to extract data from sites like Reddit or Product Hunt. In minutes, it mined hot AI trends, headlines, and engagement scores, piping them straight to an affiliate sheet to match tools perfectly. By day's end, content outlines were ready, no manual research needed. Day 2. Content Creation Powerhouse. Next, Rank Prompt generated SEO smart keyword clusters and article skeletons tuned for platform algorithms. These fed into MindStudio, a no-code AI builder for custom agents that crafts high-quality writing in any persona. It produced full articles like AI tools every founder needs, naturally weaving in affiliates, all formatted and queued for publishing. Day 3. Visuals and voice boost to skyrocket shares. Gamma turned articles into stunning slide carousels with auto charts, perfect for LinkedIn. Murf AI cloned a natural voice for quick narrations, embedding audio clips right into the visuals. Posts went live across platforms, exploding reach and clicks. Day 4. Funnel Mastery. Traffic poured in, so Unbounce built smart landing pages from simple prompts like free AI templates, while Campaign Monitor automated email nurtures. OpenClaw updated bios with links and A/B tested calls to action, turning visitors into leads at high rates. Day 5. Scaling with compute. For heavy lifting, RunPod spun up GPU pods for fast video rendering, and BidX launched AI-driven ad campaigns with lookalikes. OpenClaw monitored everything, pausing losers and boosting winners for optimal returns. Days 6 to 7. Total autonomy. The system ran itself. Trends refreshed hourly, new posts and assets generated daily, pages optimized live, ads scaled smartly. Uptime hit near perfect, delivering massive reach, leads, and revenue multiples that turned a simple setup into a money machine. This blueprint shows anyone can stack these tools for passive income streams. Total costs stayed low, profits soared, and time saved was enormous. Ready to build yours?